Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel and today I'm going to do a Nykaa haul. So Nykaa has this festive sale going on and I ordered some products few days back and I just received them yesterday. So now just dive into the video. So the first product I have with me is this Gillette Venus razor. It retails for rupees 299 but in the sale I got it for rupees 269. I will not deny the fact that shaving irritates the skin. Yes, it does irritate the skin, but to avoid that what you can do is after shaving just dab your skin with lots of coconut oil and aloe vera gel. This is what I do to calm my skin down. And also if you're planning to buy a razor, I think this one is one of the best razors in the market and it also is like pocket friendly. Talking about the next product, I have with me these tulip cotton pads. Now these retail for rupees 80 and I got it for 64 in the sale. And these are just flat cotton pads and I was searching these types of cotton pads in the market but I couldn't find them. I'll just show you how they look. And you can use them to apply toner or to remove your makeup or even to remove your nail paints. And yes, the quality is really good. I'll just leave the link in the description box below. You can find all the products. Talking about the next product, I have with me these Nivea shower gels. Now they retail for rupees 225 each and I got them for rupees 146 each. So that's a great deal guys. And I have been using these Nivea shower gels from like a month or two and I really love the finishing they leave on the skin. I have also used other shower gels like the Dove one and I don't think they compete with this one. So if you are really looking to switch to another brand of shower gels, you can just give it a try. The next product I have with me are these Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. They retail for rupees 650 each and I got them for rupees 500 each in the sale. So a great deal guys. And also the shades are 220 Ambitious, 15 Lover and 75 Fighter. And as the name says, super stay, they really stay for a long period of time and also they do not smudge and they do not transfer. So if you are looking for a lipstick for a wedding or a function and you just want that it should stay in place the entire time, I think you should go for these and I'll share the swatches somewhere here. My next purchase from Nykaa is this Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara. It retails for rupees 405 and I got it for rupees 280 in the sale. I love the finishing this gives and also this is my second bottle of this same mascara. You just see the brush how bushy it is and I love the finishing it leaves on the lashes. If you're looking for some affordable mascara that works really great, I think you should go for this. Talking about my next purchase, it's like a mandatory purchase in this current scenario. They are these mini hand sanitizers from Lifebuoy. Now they retail for rupees 25 each and I got them for rupees 20 each and I chose this size because it's convenient to carry around, like you can put them in your jeans pocket or in the bag you are carrying. Coming up to my next purchase, I have this lipstick from Faces Canada. It retails for rupees 299 but I got it for rupees 254 in the sale and the lipstick's name is Weightless Matte Finish Lipstick. I'll just show you the shade. If you could see, it's a very pleasant purple guys and also the shade's name is Purple Tiara 07. The texture is really smooth although it's matte and I think if you're looking for something affordable from Faces Canada's lipstick range, I think you can go with this. Next I have with me is this Nivea Whitening Smooth Skin Roll-On. It retails for rupees 199 but I got it for rupees 160 in the sale and I have been using this from like a year or two and I really love this range. Also it smells really good. The next product I have with me is this Nykaa Naturals Intimate Hygiene Wash. I have been using Clean and Dry since like a year or two and I have been a great fan of their foam wash, but this is my first time I'm switching to another brand of intimate wash. Let's see how this goes, and this one retails for rupees 199 and I got it for rupees 160. So the next product I have with me is something that I didn't purchase. It was a gift. So there was this offer going on Faces Canada, like if you purchase for a certain limit, you'll get this lipstick for free. This is their matte lip crayon and the shade is Midnight Rose 12. I'll just swatch it and show you guys. This is the shade, and this retails for rupees 7.99, but I got it for free. But yes, I totally love the texture of this color. It glides so smoothly. And if you're looking for a deep red, a maroonish red, you can go for this lipstick, guys. The next product I have with me is this line tattoo crayon pen from Maybelline, and it's like an eyeliner. It retails for rupees 4.99 and I got it for rupees 2.99 something. So this is how it works. There is a cap at the bottom. You just twist it and the product comes out, and then you can apply it. They claim it's smudge proof. Let me check it. It's not smudge proof, guys. The price is like 4.99 and in this range it's not smudge proof. Big thumbs down to Maybelline. Next I have with me are these nail paints from Faces Canada. They retail for rupees 109 each, but I got them for rupees 83 each in the sale. So I'll just quickly share the color names with you. This one is Frozen. Then this one is Ginger. Then this one mauve shade is Floral Dream, and this one is Dove, and the last one is Linty. That was it, guys. This is what all I brought from Nykaa sale. I'll meet you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.